You defy the elements and push past limits, relying on machines that don't understand the word stop. From scorching fields and snow-covered highways to the delivery of life-critical cargo, your machines are your strength and your guarantee of results. That's why they deserve the ultimate protection. When the engine endures stress day after day in heat, rain, dust, or mud, there's no room for weakness. XADO Maximum Heavy Duty is a 3-component protection system specially designed for high-load engines. It forms an ultra-durable ceramic metal layer on friction parts, compensates for wear, and increases component reliability. It helps maintain power under continuous load. The engine runs smoother, lasts longer, and performs more consistently. So you can always trust your machinery, even when the conditions are against you. XADO Maximum Heavy Duty. Push the limits. Trust the maximum.